Hey guys, so I finally got in a lot of my packages that I've been waiting for. I'm gonna go over them just because I want to do like a little unboxing. I kind of like it, it's fun. Um, it's kind of like, getting birthday presents or whatever, but it's from yourself. So I figured I'd make a video and share it. So I'll show you guys here. So first one is, this one's from Saul Salvage, Traverse Creek. I got my Echo 2511T chain brake, finally. And then let's see, I got my carburetor kit. Can you see? Here's the part number. This is for the Echo 590 and 620, 680, and 800, excuse me. That's the part number if you guys need it. And it comes with basically everything, you need to rebuild it. But I'm only gonna use this one here and save the rest. And then I also have, box is ripped, but Echo upgraded ignition coil. This is the 620 ignition coil, so I'll be putting that on. I may include it in my carb video, or I may do a separate video. I kind of want to do the carb because I changed out the Hi-Jet. So I kind of want to do the carb, cut, and then do the coil and then cut and see if there's a difference. And then I haven't really heard too much about this stuff, but this is they have a on sale. I think it's like $30, a 3-pack of chain, and it's a full chisel chain, which is good. 3/8 full chisel chain, 84 drive lengths, so it'll fit my Stihl 25-inch bar, or 24, whatever you want. I think it's a 25, but I want to do some testing with this chain, and with I have a Stihl RS chain, which is a pretty fast cutting chain. Not the fastest, but looks like pretty good chain. It has a little hole for the oiling, and then it doesn't look, it doesn't look bad from what I can see. It has I'll give you a close-up if you can see. It has a kind of a little hook on it, from the factory. So looks like a factory, it's like a factory round grind, so it looks like it'll cut pretty good, guys. So look out for videos on that. And then what do we got in this one? Oh, finally, I don't know if you guys have been following. I don't know if you've heard me, but I picked up a set of Amazon Torx because I don't have them. So I think it has every size I'll need. Soft grip, so that's pretty nice. And then I needed one of these chainsaw bar dresser, so I'll be doing a video on this. If you don't follow him, there's a guy, his name's Tasman Kenny Fuller. He has a video. He saw my bar dressing video, and then see if you guys can see me. He saw see me better? He saw my bar dressing video, and I usually just use these like on top of the rail. You know, you mount it in your vise and then you do that across of them and it kind of trues up the rail. But he had an idea to put this in the vise and then do it, which sounds good, but I gotta give it a try. I don't know. Only thing I'm worried about is like you definitely would have to wear gloves because you're holding the bar, so you could get sliced easier in my opinion, but I'm gonna have to try it and see if I like that way better. But yeah, this just fits on the rail and you just slide it back and forth, and then it has a little file in there, files it down. So that's that, guys. And then let's see what else I got. Oh, I got this box is already open because I was making sure it wasn't my wife's stuff. This one's from, I don't know what this is. Eagle Globe Supply. Oh, okay. Good. This is for the Echo. It's the little dogs for it. So I got the stock dogs, and then these are the two little screws. That I ordered off eBay, I think. Came pretty fast. Keep that together. So if you guys can't tell, I ordered a bunch of stuff. I got a bunch of videos that I'm gonna be doing. So stay tuned for that, guys. Then I also ordered this. And I'll show you real quick. So I have, this is my little MacBook. That's what I use. But what I have this set up here is I got a Mac Mini. So this has more, I don't know, RAM or memory or something. And then I didn't have the, mouse and keyboard for it. But I'm gonna hook it. This is not a permanent setup. This is just getting me rolling, and then I can do it to the TV and edit that way. So I can make longer videos, and then because my problem is with this, what happens is I'll go in here and edit, and then by the time I'm done, it's like the memory is almost full. I've had to redo some videos, but it's all a part of the learning process, guys. And usually if I have to redo them, the videos turn out even better. So, and what else I got? Let's see. Oh, and what's weird is they sent me 2 of these, and I only ordered 1, so I'll keep 1 in the package. So I only need 1, guys. Come on. They double fulfilled my order. And then I got this too. Everything's heavy. Got more fence stain. So I only have probably 1/4 of a jug left. And it takes a lot of stain to stain this fence, guys. So that's what I got, and then I got 2 more items coming. And I have this, which I'm kind of hyped about. I don't know if you guys know about this, but I'll put you guys on. I've never used this, but I need them, okay? And this is why. I have stuff everywhere. I ran out of, when my son was born, I took a lot of, you pay for it. So you can take the materials, the little towels, the drop cloths and that kind of stuff. I took that and I was using that as little pads. I finally ran out of that. So I bit the bullet and I bought these, and these are super cheap compared to the other brand. and they're made in the USA, so might as well. Task brand wipes. Might as well give these wipies a try, guys. So that's that completes this order video. And then I have some other stuff coming, so I'll update, you know, maybe include it. I won't do a video kind of like this, a one-off video of me opening stuff. I just wanted to do it because it's kind of fun. But I'll probably include the other stuff that's coming in, you know, my regular video uploads. So I do appreciate you guys, and if you have any questions or suggestions or want to comment, like and share the video, subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed, and let me know. I've decided I'm at 450 subscribers, so I'm either going to do, I may do both, but right now I'm either going to do a 500 subscriber video giveaway or 1,000, or I may do both, or I may just do kind of combine them and do, you know, one, because 1,000 is kind of a big deal. 500 is a big deal, and I appreciate you guys, but 1,000's double 500, you know. So, and I have some ideas for that. Had a couple people, they said a gift card, which I've already done that, so I'm not gonna do that right now. And then one guy, he said, I always forget how to say his channel's name. It's OFCA, I think. OFCL, I think. It's Ozark, Firewood, and Lawn Care or something, right? But cool guy, go check out his channel. He has more followers, you know, so he's got some pretty cool equipment over there, and he's a young guy. He knows what he's doing, so shout out to that dude. So he suggested an axe, which is a really good idea, but I don't want to buy an axe and then here's this axe from the store, you know. I would want to make an axe, you know, and I might do an axe, guys, honestly, but I might do something else, either a chainsaw, an axe. But anyway, I appreciate you guys, and my little video opening is over. And if you guys have anything for me, I'll check with you in the comments, guys. Later.